Hello, this problem is to find this x, one side of square. To solve this problem, we need some auxiliary line. From this center, this point. Here, perpendicular. And from here to here and here. Here also perpendicular. And like this. Here also perpendicular. Then you can find this segment is x over 2. Here x, and here also x. Then this is 5 minus x, and this 5 minus x over 2. Then from this right triangle, we can use Pythagorean theorem. So 5 square equal 5 minus x square plus 5 minus x over 2 square. 5 square equal 5 square minus 10x plus x square plus 5 square minus 5x plus x square over 4. Then we can erase this. X square is 2. 5 over 4 x square minus 15x plus 25 equal 0. One over 4 x square minus 3x plus 5 equal 0. Times 4. Then x square minus 12x plus 20 equal 0. We can factorize this. X minus 2 x minus 10 equal 0. So x equal 2 over 10. From this picture, x cannot over 10. This is nonsense. So x equal 2. This is answer. Thank you.